Look at the snow, you guys. The snow is coming down. It is so nice. January 15th, 2024, Snowstorm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sticks in Charge. You guys look, I got a nasty funky pop right here on my freaking face. Guys, look at my breakfast. I am working today. Don't look too close. I need to shave and everything. Look what I'm eating, you all. I made some roasted Brussels sprouts. You guys, these suckers are so good. And then, of course, this is my Cornish hen that I just took out the oven. I just heated this up. And right now, guys, the time is 8:13 a.m. in the morning. And I was like, you know what? I'm not really a breakfast food person, you all. Oh, but I do want the onions. So, guys, I'm going to devour this. Guys, I love Brussels sprouts. So when I finish eating, I'm going to show you the snow, okay? Because it is snow here, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's my backyard from the snow. As you can see, my patio is not too bad. So that's the snow we got. Today is January 16th, 2023. Let me take you upstairs. Hold on. All right, buddy. Here's my patio. Oh, can't see much. So as you can see, it's pretty good. And there's the backyard, everybody. Okay, guys, here's the roof to my house. And this is a bump out in my family room and my kitchen. So as you can see, that's a yard out there, but this is my roof right here. It's hard to tell, but my roof is full of snow. And guys, look at my driveway. And there is my sidewalk. So the streets are kind of bad, but this is what it looks like right here. Okay? All right, buddy, here's a closer view. I'm in my library. So as you can see, there's the umbrella stand to your bottom left of the screen. There's my table to the left, my fire pit. There's my yard. Guys, look. Sorry. Look, guys. Look at the snow. January 16th, 2024 is what you're looking at. All right? Look at the yard, y'all. Isn't the yard... I love nature, y'all. I love how the forest looks behind my yard. I love it. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back. Guys, I had a busy morning at work. And I washed my hair, took a shower and everything. It's been very busy. Very busy. And I still have a lot to do. I'm sorry. Forgot the camera was on. Guys, I'm in a raw broccoli. With olive oil. This seasoning. It is so good. Anyway, let me help my food. I'll be right back. You guys, today, my job worked the hell out of me today. So I definitely earned my money. I have a 5 o'clock meeting with a tax client, everybody. And then I had another client that I spoke with earlier today. I'm gonna work on those tax returns on this weekend. You guys, like I said before, my videos are going to be scarce. Me responding to comments I'm gonna let you know ahead of time that I'm gonna be MIA. I won't be as visible as I was, before, like daily uploads to YouTube. I don't have time to do that. But I did want to get on camera just to say what's up. And also too, I want to end this vlog. I wonder where is this? Okay, yes it is. Sorry y'all. I'm responding to emails and everything. But anyway, guys, you know what? Let me end the vlog because right now I have too much going on at work. I'm supposed to be off the clock, y'all. It's like 4 o'clock. My day ends at 3 o'clock. But anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, in the meantime, between time, mind your own damn business. Keep folk out your business and stop all that damn gossiping. All right? Your boy's busy. I got a lot of work to do. It's tax time, everybody. Plus, it's quarter in at work. I got things to do. I'm out of here. Deuces.